Another con would have to be all these knots that were formed in my hair. It was not it. Like, it was really, really bad.
Hey guys, this is Dami and welcome back to my channel. I come to you guys with my big bird looking ass shirt because I can. Because you guys want to know what I have to say. Yes you do. I'm coming to tell you guys the truth about these butterfly locks. Are you ready? Listen up. Let's get right into the video. Before we get into the video, I want to ask you guys to like and subscribe. As always, I come to you guys with the truth. I come to you guys how it is, and that's why we're here. Please join the family and make sure you press the subscribe button. Also, give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. First things first, I need you guys to check out the video of how I did this hair. It is so important to see how I did the hair in comparison to how it is now, okay? The reason why my hair is like this is because I did it a certain way. So make sure you guys check that out. I love this hair. It's been a month and it's still giving me baby girl island vibes, dreads for days. So yeah, I'm coming to give you guys the pros, the cons, the do's, the don'ts, the real talk. Let's get into it. First things first, this is like a don't, this is a con. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like my hair is actively slipping out of the things. Like, I don't know if it was because of manipulation. I don't know if it was because I kept packing my hair back, but it was mostly the front. The hair was just slipping out. Like, thank God it didn't fully come out, but it still did come out a lot. Honestly, I think this happened because I only use the water wave hair. My hair is like soft, braided, small, and this hair is also soft. They just kind of came right out of each other. Whereas if I had put something rougher, put something like Marley hair on top of my hair, then the water wave hair can better stick to it, protecting my hair and keeping my hair inside of it. So that's what I'll do for next time. Another alternative for next time, if I didn't want to use Marley hair, I would just wrap it a little bit tighter. I wouldn't focus too much on the butterfly effect because in using the hair, it's automatically going to give you that rougher type of look. But in doing that, you're wrapping tighter and you're more likely like wrapping closer to your hair, leaving less space for your hair to like slip out through. Yeah, so that's honestly an alternative if you don't want to put too much expression on your hair. That was another thing why I didn't use it as well. I was like, okay, I'm gonna have the free tress hair, I'm gonna have Marley hair all on top of this one tiny braid. Like, it's a lot. I'm trying to keep my edges.
Another con would have to be all these knots that were formed in my hair. It was not it. Like, it was really, really bad. I don't know if it's because of the accessories that I put in it and so it like got caught with one another, or if it was the quality of the hair, but these knots started to form after about 2 to 3 weeks and it actually made the style like almost unbearable.
So when it got really, really bad, I would just kind of trim it like that. I would just trim all the excess so that it looks pretty neat and it wasn't getting caught on anything. Like all these little things I would trim off.
Yeah, as you can see, this is literally just a bundle of knots.
Okay, so when you're ready to take your hair out, basically you're going to look at your braid, find your braid, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna try to find your hair in your roots. As you guys can see, I can already see where my hair is. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, so I can see where my hair is. So it's easy for me to pull my hair out. If you cannot see where your hair is, all you have to do is wrap it in the opposite direction that you twisted it in. And then once you have your hair, you just start to pull. You just pull it slowly and your hair should just slip right out. And this is my hair. And now that we have my hair and we have the lock separate, we're just gonna cut it. See, I'm not gonna cut my hair. This method is actually it because it makes sure that I don't cut my hair. Sometimes I'm seeing people cut and I'm like, but your hair's long, don't do that. So I'm gonna leave it like this so you guys can see, and then I'm just gonna cut as close to the top as possible, but obviously not too close. So now that we've cut that off, all we have to do is just slip this out and voila. You can see the buildup from me moisturizing my edges. Y'all already know I don't do my edges like that, so it ain't gel. Okay, we're gonna try this again, okay?
So you find your braid in the hair, you separate it from the dread. Once you have it separated from the dread, you slowly pull it out of the dread and then cut the dread. And then just like that, you have 2 pieces which you slide out of your roots, and that's it.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can tell, but like my hair is doing amazing. If you look at these ends, they're absolutely fantastic. I absolutely love them. Before I actually put in the hair, I moisturize it to the gods with Mayel's leave-in conditioner. Love it. Love it. Like, I think this is my new thing. Like, no one told me about this, but I'm telling you about this. Golden, golden. Permanently added to my routine. So I moisturized it to the gods. I also trimmed my hair because I wanted to and because my hair needed a trim. Obviously during the pandemic, I haven't really been able to go do my like yearly trim with the hairstylist, but I've been upkeeping it myself. It just means I have to trim it a little bit more. If you guys want to see that trimming video, it will be up here. So now I'm just gonna take down my hair, and honestly guys, feeling it, it is so soft. Like when I say protective style, like protective style, oh my gosh. This is honestly a protective style in a protective style, and I couldn't be happier. No guys, when I tell you cutting my ends before doing the style was the best thing I ever done, please don't think I'm capping. Like, look at these beautiful ass curls. Oh my god, oh my god. You like it? I love it. Like legit. I love it. I do. Can you guys see the definition though? Okay guys, so that's it. I tried to put my hair down. I tried to do a nice twist out, braid out, whatever, but as you guys can see, my hair is disrespecting me and it looked off. But that is all for today guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe so you never miss another video. I'm gonna say it again. If you guys made it this far into the video, please subscribe. It helps me so much. We're a family, family. Welcome to the family. Also, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below, did you guys do butterfly locks? Did it look like that when you guys were doing it? Did it get messy? Do you think it was my accessories? Talk to me. We're in this together. You learn, I learn, we learn. Next. If you guys want to see what I do on a day-to-day basis, if you guys want to see what I'm doing when I'm not on here on YouTube doing natural hair, you guys can follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at allthingsdami. You guys can see what I do on a day-to-day basis. You guys can see nursing and the other aspects of my life. I'm so happy to have you guys as a part of my family. Make sure you guys comment down below your thoughts, okay? So I think that's a lot. I think that's it for today. You guys have a great week. And yeah, I've been talking a lot. Just make sure you guys check out the links in the description box below. And I'm out. Dami signing out. Thank you very much for your time. To everybody that's gonna ask what this black thing is, I honestly don't know. I work as a nurse and I've been seeing like different dry patches appear on my hands. Some may call it eczema, but I've never had eczema before. And so I scratched it and it turned black. But I mean, I'm still a sweeter you in it.